Hi guys, my name is Tammy and I am from House of Leo blog, and today we're going to pack a beach cooler with all my favorite items from ShopRite. So fun little fact, my family and I, we live at the Jersey Shore and we spend countless days going to the beach. So I know how to pack a good cooler for the beach. We're going to take these snackles, snack trays, everybody calls them something different. I'm gonna fill them with some of my favorite bowl and basket items. We have a little bit of a mixture of salty and a little bit of some sweet. So let's get started. So we're just gonna pop these tops off. I always pack two because we all fight over the snacks and you can never have enough snacks at the beach. So I'm gonna begin with doing some salty items. I have some of my favorite bowl and basket potato chips here. Honestly, the plain are really good, but there are so many great varieties of these chips. But we're just gonna go with the simple, plain ones for today. And if it were up to me, I would honestly just bring the whole bag with me to the beach, but there's something fun about using the little snack trays. All right, so we got some potato chips in here. Next, we're gonna do my husband's favorite, some pretzels. All right. All right, and after pretzels, we will do my daughter's favorite size, the little tortilla chips. These are bite-sized too, so the sizing on these is perfect when you want to fill them in the little snack boxes. All right, so now we got some chips, we've got some pretzels, some tortilla chips. We gotta do something a little bit like a vegetable. So these little bite-sized carrots, these are always a favorite in our household. We use these for everything. We use these for snacking. We will use these with cooking. These are also great in lunch boxes too. The kids are getting back to school, but I don't wanna talk about back to school yet because I am still very much in a summer state of mind, and there is still a lot of beach time left. All right, now we're gonna add some apricots. These are really great too if you're doing like any type of girls' night at your house or couples' night, and you're doing like those nice cheese boards. These always I will put on the cheese boards. There's something about them, they're always so fresh. The taste on them is amazing. One of my favorites. So I was saying that we are big summer people. Here's a fun little story for you. So our daughter, she's going to be 12 in a couple weeks, which I can't even believe. She's starting middle school, which is giving me all the emotional feels, but her name is Summer. And I told you we're summer people. My husband and I, we actually started dating in the summer many, many, many years ago. We got married in the summer, and then when I found out I was pregnant and she was gonna be born in August, I was the happiest because I was like, you could have summer birthday parties, and then when she came out, we looked at her and we're like, she's gonna be Summer. So yes, we named her Summer, and it's just the perfect name for her. And true to her name, she just loves to go to the beach. She goes to surf camp, she goes to lifeguarding camp, and she's probably the tannest person I have ever seen. The kid has a crazy glow on her. I could lay out for hours and hours and I will not get nearly as tan as her. And she'll wear like SPF 50 and it's insane how dark she gets. All right, and my last item, speaking of summer, her favorite cookies. These are the always favorite in our house, some fig bars. These are my little Summer's absolute favorite little cookie type snack. And they're Eric's favorites as well, but these are always so good. And these are another that I will, that I will always pack in her lunch boxes when my husband goes to work. If I'm gonna make him lunch to bring with him on occasion, I will do that. I will always put these in there for him as well. All right, so now that we have our snack boxes filled, plenty of snacks for the three of us back on these. And we're gonna grab our beach cooler. And we're gonna pack these right in here. These fit perfectly. All right, so now that we have that, of course, we gotta move into some of our favorite beverages. Going to bring with us some of the sparkling water watermelon and the orange tangerine. They're always a staple in our household. I think I might drink like 3 or 4 of these a day. I'm not even exaggerating here. They are so refreshing, they're so light. All right, so we're gonna throw some of the watermelons in here. One more in, because like I said, I usually drink a couple of these at a time. All right, and we're gonna do some of the mandarin orange. So I'm actually curious, if you had to pick one, which one are you? Are you team mandarin orange or are you team watermelon? Let us know in the comments. All right, so now that we're all set, we're just going to add some ice to our cooler and we are ready to hit the beach. The forecast looks amazing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope that you guys will like and follow for more.